Good morning. Some call it the most inflammatory, shocking, and historic word in the English language. And Dr. Lester is here to tell us where you can participate in a critical conversation about this. Good morning.
Good morning.
So nice to finally meet you. How did the lecture series go yesterday?
Well, in my own biased opinion, I thought it went well.
Okay, awesome.
Yes.
And so we have another one tonight.
Yes.
But this is a very sensitive subject that we're talking about tonight.
It is. Language is sensitive, and this is about the N-word, but it's one of those words that every single person has something to say about. And what I'd like to happen tonight is the fact that people will come in and sort of hear what I have to say so they can add to what they think they already know about the word.
And what do you have to say when it comes to, because you can hear it across music, movies, some claim it as their own cultural word. So what kind of, tell us how you're going to lead this conversation tonight.
Well, what I'd like to do is to start where people already are. I sort of already know that, but I want people to articulate that. And then I want to dispel the myths of what they think they know about the word. And one of those you just mentioned is that you can take something back that you never owned.
Exactly.
And when I say you, I mean those who claim that they can take it back. I also want to talk about the word in the context that it is really not like the B word or the F word or the R word. It is a word unlike any other word in the English language.
That's so true. So for those who want to participate in the discussion, give us the details.
Yes. Well, it is at the library tonight, the Evansville Vanderburgh Library at 6 o'clock, and there should be lots of people going, so you should just follow the crowd. But it's an opportunity to come in, but come in with an open mind, though, because as I said, people have rocks in their pockets. Just hear what I have to say. I'm not trying to police. I'm not trying to tell anybody what to say. What I'm asking people to do is to think about words and think about language.
Just opening the conversation up and making it less nerve-wracking. Okay.
That's right.
Neal Lester will present his workshop at EVPL Central tonight at 6 p.m. He will discuss the word's continually shifting use of the history of American race relations and look at the fundamental role of words, history, language, and performance to construct identity. Registration is not required, but guys, it is recommended. This event is free and open to the public. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
And we'll send things over to Chris Mastrobono.